Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError str object is not subscriptable. This error message occurs when you try to access a character in a string using square brackets, but the object you're trying to access is not a string. For example, consider the following code. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. This code should print the first character of the message, which is H. However, if you accidentally assign a value to message that is not a string, you might get the TypeError str object is not subscriptable error message. For instance, when you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. In this case, message is an integer, 42, and not a string, so trying to access the first character of it with 0 will raise a TypeError.to fix this error. Make sure that the object you are trying to access with square brackets is actually a string. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.